Good morning, students. Today we will do our next topic of chapter number 7, permutation and combination. So in this example, we have to find the number of ways of letters of a word in which objects are repeated. You can say in which all objects are not distinct. मतलब जिस वर्ड के विच सारे लेटर डिस्टिंक्ट नहीं होंगे, ठीक है, सेम भी हो सकते हैं. So you can see here, find number of permutation of the letter of the word Allahabad. So in this word Allahabad, you can see here A is repeated how many times? 4 times, and L is repeated 2 times. So we have to find the number of permutation of the letter of this word in which letters are repeated. So we can write here first which letters are repeated how many times. So in Allahabad, the letter A comes how many times? 4 times. Next, letter L comes how many times? 2 times. So there are total how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 objects. There are total 9 objects, and we have to take all the 9 objects at a time. But the condition is here, there are repetition of 2 letters A and L. Clear? So you can find out the number of arrangement, or you can say number of ways. So first there are total how many letters? 9 letters. So you can say objects. So first you can write here 9 factorial. 9 factorial. And the next step is which letters are repeated. So you have to divide with this 9 factorial. तो सिर्फ उस letters का मतलब जो है number of repetition है ना, उसे factorial ना इनको divide करो, ठीक है? So you can see here A comes 4 times, so you can divide it by 4 factorial. Multiply. L comes 2 times, divided by 2 factorial. Perfect. Now next 9 factorial is written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Divided by 4 factorial, and value of 2 factorial is 2. Now this 4 factorial and 4 factorial cancel. And 2 कितने side? 4 the 8. Clear? 9 4 the 36. 6 5 the 30. 30 into 7, 210. Now multiply this 36 and 210. We get 7,560. It means there are total 7,560 words formed with this Allahabad. Alright. Next is example number 10. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if the repetition of digits is not allowed? So there are total digits 1 to 9. There are total how many numbers? 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? And we have to form a number having 4 digits. Only 4 digits. It means there are total 9 objects, but we have to take only 4 objects at a time. So you can use here permutation. For example, 1,234, 2,341. So you can see here this is a 4-digit number. Numbers are same, but this order is different. The order of this number is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers are same, but the order is different. So you can find total number of ways from the 9 digits, but we have to take only 4 digits at a time. So what is the formula? NPR. What is N? Total number of objects. Total are 9. PR. What is R? Objects taken at a time. So there are 4. 9P4. Formula is N factorial over N minus R factorial. So it is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 9 minus 4, 5 factorial. Now this 5 factorial is cancelled. 9 8s are 72 and 7 6s are 42. Now multiply this 72 into 42. So what is the answer? Answer is 3024. So there are total 3024 what 4-digit numbers. Alright. You can also solve it by taking a box, making 4 boxes, because you have to find the 4-digit number. In first box there are how many choices? Between 1 to 9. There are 9 choices. You can write here 9. And the condition is here repetition of digit is not allowed. Suppose कर लो कि 9 के बीच में अपने को 2 नंबर आ गया, तो then 2 is what? 2 is not repeated again. So there are in the next chance there are total 8 choices. You can write here 8. Again, ठीक है, एक letter fix हो गया. Next there are again 7 choices and the last 6 choices. Multiply these numbers. So the answer is 3024. So this is your example number 9 and 10. Next student, example number 11 is your homework. So now see the example number 12, first part. So in this example, find the value of n such that you have to find the n. The first condition is np5 is equal to 42 multiplied with np3. You have to find the missing value this n. Alright. So you have to use here formula of permutation NPR. What is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So formula is n factorial n minus r. Here the value of r is 5. Is equal to 42 multiplied with np3. Formula is n factorial n minus r. Here r is 3. Clear? Now you can see here n factorial n factorial. It is cancelled both inside. Now you have to cross multiply. It is n minus 3 factorial is equal to 42 multiplied n minus 5 factorial. Now n minus 3 factorial written as n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5 factorial is equal to 42 multiplied n minus 5 factorial. ठीक है, जब से फैक्टोरियल में एक्सपेंड कर दें तो नेक्स्ट टर्म में कुछ ऐसी 1 1 माइनस कर दें. So if you subtract 1 from this, then it is what? n minus 5, n minus 6, n minus 7. ठीक है, but when you expand this n minus 3 factorial, it is n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5 factorial. So you can see here means 5 factorial is same on both sides, so it is cancelled. Alright. Now you can multiply these two terms. N minus 3, n minus 4. It is n squared minus 7n plus 12 is equal to 42. Or n squared minus 7n minus 30 is equal to 0. You can take this 42 on left hand side. It is 12 minus 42 is minus 30. Now this is a quadratic equation. You have to find the value of n. So we get 2 value for n because here power of the variable is 2. So there are 2 roots. Now you can find the factors of 30. Factors of 30 are which one? 3 tens are 30. 10 minus 3, 7. So you can write here minus 10 plus 3. Factors are minus 10 and plus 3. Now you can take common from the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. So common from the first 2 terms is which one? N. N minus 10 plus 3 n minus 10. Now we n minus 10 is taking common. So what is the value of n here? 10 and minus 3. So which value we can take? 10 or minus 3? You can take only positive value because n should never be negative. n की value कभी भी negative नहीं होगी. It should always be positive. Alright. And n is greater than or equal to r. n की value या तो r के equal होगी या उसको greater होगी. So the value of n is here, which one? 10. We can neglect minus 3. So this is your first part. Now the second part of this example 12 is also your homework. Next is example number 13. Find the value of r if 5 multiply 4pr is equal to 6 multiply 5pr minus 1. So we have to find the value of r. So what is the condition? R is not greater than n. R should be equal to n or less than n. Alright. So first you can write here 5 multiply 4pr. What is the formula of npr? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So it is 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial. 6 multiplied with 5pr minus 1. The formula is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r minus 1 factorial. Because formula is n minus r and here r is r minus 1. Now you can write here 5 multiplied 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. You can expand this 5 factorial, 5 into 4 factorial. Now this 4 factorial is cancelled from both inside and 5 is also cancelled. Clear? Now open the brackets. 5 minus minus plus. So 5 plus 1, 6. It is 6 minus r factorial. Now which term you should expand? This one or this one? If you subtract from this, then 4 minus 1 is 3. If you subtract from this, 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 minus 1 is again 4. So we can expand this term. So what is left here in the numerator? 1 divided by 4 minus r factorial. You should do cross multiply first, after that expand. So 6 minus r factorial into 1, 6 minus r factorial is equal to 6 multiply 4 minus r factorial. Now 6 minus r factorial is 6 minus r, 5 minus r, 4 minus r factorial. Clear students? Now from both left hand side and right hand side, this is the same. 4 minus r factorial, so it should be cancelled. Now you can open the brackets. 6 minus r into 5 minus r. So what we will get? 6 into 5 minus r minus r 5 minus r is equal to 6. Alright. Now 6 5s are 30. 6 into r 6r, 5 into r 5r, minus minus plus r into r or r square minus 6r minus 5r. It is minus 11r plus 30. Now you can take this 6 on left hand side. It is minus 6. R square minus 11r plus 30 minus 6 how much? 24. So again this is a quadratic equation. You have to find the value of r. So factors of 24, because value of a is 1 and c is 24. 1, 24, 24. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 plus 8, 11. So we should take positive sign or negative sign. If you can do plus 8, it is plus 11. But here sign is negative. So you should take minus 3 and minus 8. So taking common from the first two terms and the last two terms. So it is r common, r minus 3, and from minus 8r and plus 24 you can take minus 8 common. So it is r, sign come change because we can take negative sign common. So it is minus 3. Now r minus 3, again you can take it common. So value of r is there 3 and 8. So which value you should take, 3 or 8? You can see here value of n is here 4 and the value is 5. But r is not greater than n. So we can take only 3. Because this 8 is greater than both 4 and 5. So value of r is here 3. So this is the example number 13.